Hi again. So this question comes from Becky. Like I said, I'm on a roll. I'm on a video making roll. So this question comes from Becky, and what she had asked is that, can I make a child support agreement and can I do a parenting plan for parties who are not married? So they're not trying to divorce, but they are separating and they do have children in common. And the answer to that is yes, I can. I'm a family court mediator, a Florida Supreme Court certified family mediator, as well as a civil mediator. So family mediators are going to be the best people to go to if you are trying to come up with a co-parenting plan or anything to do with like divorcing or child support agreements and things of that nature. And mediators, if you don't have an attorney, but you are like pretty well like you and your I guess ex at that point, are pretty amicable and you want to go through a mediator only and you do not want to bring in attorneys, that's a great time to use a mediator. The mediator, particularly family mediators, can do your entire divorce start to finish, walk you through the whole thing, help you with the paperwork that the judge is going to want to see, so that once it gets turned in, like that, all of that can be explained. But yes, to answer your question directly, family mediators are usually going to be the best people to reach out to do like a child support agreement and a time sharing plan. I think that was what your question was. Is yeah, you don't need an attorney to do that. If you have attorneys, I work with a lot of attorneys and they're fantastic, and you know they're good to work with. Sometimes the one party has an attorney, the other party doesn't. Both parties have attorneys, neither party has attorney. All of those scenarios are fine. All of those scenarios work because I'm a neutral party, so I'm not trying to pick anybody's side or decide anything for you. But lawyers are nice in that they are going to be able to help you with answering your legal questions, because mediators are neutral parties. We cannot answer any legal questions for you. Even if we did know the answer, that is not our job to answer legal questions. That is what counsel is for. So lawyers are very helpful if you have like legal questions, like what are my legal rights here? And that could be for even beyond family stuff, but what are my legal rights? That's definitely like, you're going to want to know that. But if you don't really kind of care about all that, which sometimes people don't, they know what they want, they know how they want to resolve their divorce and their time sharing and things of that nature, and you know already like how you want to do it, and really what the law says is kind of irrelevant to you. As long as the two of you agree, we just write it up the way that you've requested it, and then send it all through to the court system, and they'll finalize it, set up a final judgment if you were married. If you're not, and you're just looking to put together like a co-parenting plan or a time-sharing plan, the agreement that you make will hold. You'll sign it, and that kind of goes from there. So hopefully that answers your question, Becky. And if you guys have other questions, feel free to send me an email. My email address is down below. I also put these videos on my website, so the website's down below as well, and you can check that out. And if you have questions, feel free to send them to me, and I'd be happy to try to answer them for you. Thanks for watching, guys.